Why aren't schools teaching this? Why are they ignoring the things which are actually important? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video on a very important, very relatable topic. This issue is faced by every student. You all complain about it, you all have gone through it, but I am actually making a video on it. If you are liking what I am doing, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's move on with the video. So this one thought keeps coming repeatedly to my mind, and it's this कि चीज़ें याद करने से होने क्या वाला है. बिकॉज एज सून एज द पेपर इज ओवर वो चीज़ हम लोग भूल जाते हैं, सब लोग भूल जाते हैं. किसको भी आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर व्हाट आई स्टडीड इन 7th, कौन सा क्वेश्चन का कौन सा आंसर क्या था, हिस्ट्री के डेट्स किसका नाम क्या था, क्या फॉर्मूला, आई डोंट रिमेंबर एनीथिंग. एंड वाई डू वी नीड टू रिमेंबर ऑल दिस? वी हैव मोबाइल्स, वी हैव इंटरनेट इज ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. सबके पास मोबाइल है, सबके पास इंटरनेट है, तो चीज़ें याद क्यों करें? एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि इंटरनेट जाने वाला, इंटरनेट हमारे साथ रहेगा. सो व्हाई आर वी वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम लर्निंग ऑल दोज थिंग्स व्हेन वी हैव द रेडीमेड आंसर्स फॉर ऑल दैट? एंड यू मे बी लाइक देखो मेहनत नहीं करनी, ये तो करना ही पड़ता है, बट दैट इज जस्ट डम वर्क. You need to do smart work, and the smart work is don't waste your time memorizing all these things when you have the ready-made answers available. Instead वो टाइम हम लोग और बेटर चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एप्पल बनाना मैंगो. Do you all remember this game? I'm very sure each of you must have played this. It's called memory game and it's supposed to increase your memory. And this is exactly what the schools are doing, increasing your memory. Schools are supposed to make you a better individual. They are supposed to enhance your personality. They are supposed to enhance your character. But all they are doing is making you remember things. This is not what is supposed to happen. To all the adults who are watching this, when you want to ask something, when you need to find some answer to something, you Google it. No one goes like, अरे ये 7th standard में पढ़ा था, क्या था इसका आंसर? No, every answer is there on Google. So why are we wasting time learning things when we are going to forget it? So let's talk about a few subjects that are highly important but are ignored in schools. Let's start with communication skills. The most important according to me. Elon Musk, Narendra Modi, Barack Obama, Abraham Lincoln, Steve Jobs and many other influential successful people have one thing in common. They are communication skills. The way they speak, the way they influence people. It all comes down to this communication skills. If you are a good speaker, you can do anything, you can succeed at anything, be it starting your own business, be it engineering, be it medical, be it anything else. You need to learn how to speak in front of people, and of course that subject is not taught in the school. Another very important thing which is supposed to be taught in the schools but is never taught in any school: time management. This is of so much importance. I don't understand how schools ignore this. Okay, wait, they don't. They actually teach about time management. But do you know when? Exam के एक हफ्ते पहले the moderator comes in and starts speaking. Time management is of utmost importance. ये क्वेश्चन इतने मार्क्स का है, इसको इससे ज़्यादा टाइम मत देना. ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा है तो छोड़ देना, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे बढ़ना, क्योंकि टाइम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, नहीं तो मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. Everything in school revolves around exams and marks. What about time management in actual life? Teach students how to manage time in their daily life, how to manage between studies and their passion and their play time and their extracurricular things. Teach them that everything doesn't have to be related to exams and marks. We also need to know about the basic things such as how to earn money, how to open a bank account and stuff like that, because these are the things which will actually help us when we move ahead with our life. Not things like when someone fought someone at what place. History is important, but remembering it, I don't think so. These are the things which are actually going to help us. If you want me to make a separate video on how to earn money from a early age, drop a yes in the comment section and I'll probably make one. Everyone works for money, be it a doctor, be it an engineer, be it an author, be it a sports person, be it anyone. Everyone works for money, and if you are earning money, you need to do your taxes. But in schools, are we taught about taxes? Of course not. I have taken commerce. I am in 12th right now since so many months, I don't know. But yes, I have taken commerce and I don't know anything about taxes. Okay, but the only question I remember about taxes was when was GST introduced? And I don't even remember the answer. But I could easily find an answer within 2 seconds with Google. Do you see how easy it is to find answers? We don't have to memorize those things. And why are they not teaching about taxes? Taxes are so important. Everyone needs to know how to do their taxes. One more topic which is the least talked about but which needs to be the most talked about: sex education. I am very sure some of your faces must have changed, you must have given reaction like, oh, ये क्या बोल दिया? But this reaction wouldn't have happened if this topic was taught in schools. I don't want anyone forming a wrong impression of me. Some of you must be like, तो फिर बोलना क्या है? तो गूगल से ही पढ़ाई कर लेना, स्कूल जाते ही क्यों है? That is not what I am trying to say. We need to go to the schools. Schools are important. We need someone to guide us. We need someone who has experience, who can teach us things, who can educate us. But what is happening in the schools is not educating. They are missing out on the important topic. They are missing out on issues which are actually going to help us in life. So I would like to end the video here. I actually don't want to, मतलब मन ही नहीं कर रहा end करने का. But I'll have to. There are so many topics which I want to talk about actually. There are so many things which need to be taught in the school but which aren't. And there are so many things which I want to say. But I don't want to extend the video any further than this. So that's it for today's video. If there's any specific thing which you want me to make a video about, let me know down in the comment section. If there's any topic which you want me to make a detailed video, I'll make one. Let me know down. If you are liking what I am doing, if you are liking the efforts, the initiative I am taking, do like the video. Also subscribe to my channel because I have so many videos planned for you all. So yes, share this video to as many people as you can. These are the topic which needs to be talked about. So do your part, share this video to as many people as you can, and I hope you all are safe. Have a nice day.